Compliments of the season to you all. I would like just to make clarification over the homily that I presented on Brother Chengelo Facebook, and it went viral, and it was on the 28th of December 2024, and I would like just to make some clarity. The homily indeed the readings were all about the child Damas, or the holy innocents, which were massacred by the cruelty of Herod, who wanted to get rid of Jesus, who is equally linked to Pharaoh, who wanted to get rid of all the children, but Moses was spared. I think that was the gist of the homily. And indeed, the first part I talked about the children who are killed via abortion, that the church continues to stand firm on to fight against abortion, and we should defend the defenseless. The children must be the life of the infants must be upheld. Then the second part I talked about Herod, that who is standing for the evil person. Herod, who is standing for the devil, that the devil is coming to an end, the devil is going to die, he will never be with us forever in our lives, because of the infant Jesus, who is coming as the King of the universe. So I want just to make that clarification, that I never meant to attack any ideology, any individual, any political party, any person, or any father figure in the family or mother figure in the family. What I meant was to rebuke evil, to rebuke the cruelty of the evil one in our lives, who is coming to an end. So to this end, I would like just to make mention that as a Roman Catholic Church priest, I don't support any political party. I'm not linked to any political party, and I don't want, I'm allergic. And you know very well that we stand to promote unity, to promote unity through the cross, to promote togetherness, to promote democracy, to promote also the oneness in the country. So it shouldn't be used for political marriage. It shouldn't be used for political marriage, but for spiritual nourishment, and to reflect upon each individual, to introspect the words that were used in that entire homily. May God bless Zambia. May God bless the Roman Catholic Church. May God bless us all as we begin this year. May the togetherness, the peace that should continue prevailing, let it continue. May God bless you all. Thank you.